Thanks for checking out AutoDrill's videos. I want to ask you a question. What's better than one AutoDrill? How about a whole bunch of them? Yeah, so we've got a customer here who needed to drill a lot of holes. And I want you to imagine they've got a CNC machine that was moving all over the place on a part doing these holes. I don't know that that's exactly what they had, but let's imagine that's what it was. So we put together some ER20 style collet chuck self-feeding drills with up to 4 inches of stroke, totally adjustable. You could have a ½ inch of stroke, you could have 4 inches of stroke. It's going to have proximity sensors so that PLCs control these things individually. And then we've got some multiple spindle heads down here, ER32 style, which are going on the face of a motor. They'll be stroked pneumatically or physically by the customer. And so all of these drills can stroke at the exact same time and do a tremendous multi-hole process in seconds. There's no CNC in the world that can do that. This is more efficient. It's actually lower cost than the average CNC machine. These units are pneumatic cylinders with high precision spindles on the front, driven by a simple 3-phase motor, right? So they're just very, very simple. You put air here, it's going to retract. You put air here, it's going to go forward. And this will go forward with about 500 pounds of thrust. We have a 1,000-pound plus thrust unit as well. So if you need to drill lots and lots of holes, or you need to tap lots and lots of holes, you can get in contact with AutoDrill at AutoDrill.com or at 800-871-5022, and we would love to quote you AutoDrill units, multiple spindle units, whatever it takes for you to get your job done faster, more accurately. You're going to save a lot of money. You're going to make a lot more money. We've got a funny little, photo booth here set up just to document what we're setting out. Happens to work really well for me to make these videos. But these units are going to run for years and years. Probably, if they're taken care of, a unit like this will go for millions and millions of strokes, right? It's an off-the-shelf 3-phase motor, 56 C-face. So this unit right here, if this motor happened to burn out, somebody makes a mistake and does something and burns out the motor, tries to run something too big, doesn't have the proper electrical panel set up for it, you buy another motor. 20 minutes later out of the local motor supply house and you're back up and running. We have an adjustable clamp right here so that the motor and the drill themselves can be rotated individually. So this drill will be mounted to a flat plate. There are some mounting holes on the bottom of the drill. And then if you want this motor box off at a 90-degree angle or 180 degrees or anywhere you want, you loosen this clamp over here, you rotate the clamp side, this piece on the motor, and you get this wherever you want it to be. So these can be individually located for efficiency on a fixture. And you know what the biggest problem with all these drills are? Imagine you put these things all on a fixture and they're running with 500 pounds of thrust. Do the math. You've got to have one heck of a fixture. Now the cool thing is we've got people who build fixtures for you. So we can put you in touch with folks who will build you a super robust fixture, even with the slide mechanism for a unit like this. And this will be as sturdy as could be. You'll get the same quality or better that you do out of your CNC or definitely out of your manual drilling process. And you can drill, ream, as I said, with the proper unit, which is not shown here. You can tap, you can process holes in multiple different ways. We want to help you be successful. AutoDrill.com. If you happen to be in Mexico or speak Spanish, there's AutoDrill.mx. That's M as in Mary, X as in X-ray, or autodrill.com.au. That's Alpha Unicorn over in Australia, serving all of Oceania over there as well. So God bless you guys. God bless AutoDrill. God bless manufacturing around the world. Let us help you take the edge and put it in your business so that you can get ahead and do even better than you are now. If you happen to be in the U.S., 800-871-5022. Thanks for watching the AutoDrill video.